Chapter 11.7, find the so-called probability. Okay, please. What is the probability? We need to know. For instance, we have a circle. We have a arc AB. The arc AB, we already learned how to find the arc AB. AB, A is here, B is here. Central angle. This is 30 degrees, for instance. R equals to 5. You can find this. You can find the arc length. So AB arc length over the whole length, 2 pi times 5 equals 30 over 360. When I go over, you do something else. After I go over, this thing I cannot do. Reduce. So arc AB length equals to 5 pi over 6. 5 pi over 6. Now, we want to find the arc AB, the probability of arc AB to the whole circumference, 2 pi times 5. You get 5 pi over 6 over 10 pi. This is 5 pi over 6 over 10 pi. Now you can reduce 5 pi over 6 times 10 pi divided by 10 pi, pi reduce, 1 reduce. You get 1 over 12. You get 1 over 12. That is the probability of arc AB over the whole length of the circle. Yes.
Can you explain that again?
AB, you find 5 pi over 6. How to get 5 pi over 6? You reduce, it's 1 over 12. 2 and 12 reduce. This is 1, this is 6. So cross multiplication, 5 pi times 1 over 6. So this is the length for arc AB. The question is to find the probability arc AB, the length over the whole length of the circle, 2 pi r. 10 pi over 5 pi over 6. 5 pi over 6 divided by 10 pi. Pi reduce. 5, 10 reduce. 2 times 6, 1 over 12. So this is the probability. Or you can find A through D to B. The probability should be what? Equals to 11 over 12. Do you understand, please?
Yeah.
So from here to here is 1 over 12. From here to here should be 11 over 12. Because probability 1 plus probability 2 equals to 1. Do you understand, please? Yes? Second kind of question, we use the same thing. This is 60 degrees, just for example. This is C and D. We want to find the shaded area of this sector over the whole sector, whole circle. The probability equals to this part, the area, I just got here, something like this, over area of the circle. Can sound please? How to get this part? We learned. And the area of this part over pi, which is 6, times 6 squared equals to 60 over 360. You get 1 over 6. This 6 reduced. So the area equals to 6 pi, equals to 6 pi. So this area equals to 6 pi. So the ratio or probability, this one is 6 pi. This one is pi times 6 squared. This one please. Pi, 6, you get 1 over 6. So this is the probability for the shaded area over the whole area is 1 over 6. So if chapter 11.1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is good, this part is very easy. You just find the shaded area over a whole area. Find the AB, the length over whole length. Means we have a rectangle. This is 5, this is 12. So you can find this part is 4. This is the shaded area. The shaded area over the whole area. 4 times 5 is 5 times 12 is whole area. 4 times 5 is shaded area. Reduce. You get a 1 over 3. You understand me, please? You can find the shaded area. You find everything. You just use shaded area over the whole area. Unshaded area, this part, the probability to be is 2/3. Because this part is 1/3, this one must be 2/3. The probability should be this one. It should be 1. You understand, please? So this shaded area over the whole area, 1/3. Unshaded area over the whole area, 2/3. Is that clear? So for this part, nothing new, nothing difficult. This is very different from chapter, after we finish chapter 9, we have probability. That is probability. This is not difficult, probability. Okay, please? Again, 2 things. On your textbook, first theorem is for length, probability and length. Second part, probability and the area. Do you understand, please? You find the shaded area over whole area. That is shaded area. Take how many percent? You use unshaded area over the whole area. That is the probability of the unshaded area. Is that okay? Good. Now it's your time to work. And